Hi everybody and welcome back to this new video. Today we're going to be talking about the Dragon Sleeps at Night miscellaneous challenge from the HackTM CTF. The description is, I made this console based Dragon RPG, go kill the beast, and we get a netcat command. So let's run that netcat command and look at the functionality of this program that's running. Welcome to our little town. We're glad you've decided to help us fight the dragon and bring back this town to its old glory. We have a shop where you can buy many different weapons for your fight. There's also a mine for you to work at. The boss is a very trusting guy. Don't try to scam him, please. So, we have a day, a time, and a balance, and we can do a couple of things. So let's check all of these out. We can go to the store, where we can go buy swords. Alright. We can go to work, where time is going to pass very slowly, and we're going to be able to get a little bit of money in order to buy swords. So let's see, 20 hours in a day sounds fair. Okay, we get $20, right? Then we can go to the dragon's cave, for which we need a sword. We can go home. We can rest for a certain amount of days, which is going to pass time. We can also go to storage, where we can store a sword. And some interesting functionality here is that swords degrade by 1 level for each day that they are left in storage. So that's interesting functionality. It's also one of the little amounts of functionality in this program, so definitely something that you want to check out. We don't have a sword currently. We currently have $20, so we can buy a cheap sword. So we'll buy our cheap sword. We'll then go home. And now, I said that, or the functionality was that swords in storage degrade for each day that passes. Well, what if we sleep for -5 days? Will our sword upgrade? We actually forgot to put our sword in storage. So let's do that. And let's then go sleep. See what happens. So it says a sword in storage has degraded from 1 to 6. So we now have a sword that's level 6. Let's see what happens if we take our level 6 sword to the fight. We first have to take it out of storage, and then we can actually go to fight. Let's see what happens. Welcome to the dragon's den. You see the dragon sleeping next to a pile of bodies. They look disgustingly fresh. Carrying your level 6 sword, you walk over to the dragon. You're still dizzy from the time traveling. About halfway towards the dragon, the sword starts vibrating. As if by magic, it's pulled out of your hands and towards the dragon. As it reaches approximately Mach 2 right before impact, you take cover behind a cliff. Then some more text and the thing that we've all been looking for, our flag. Now this challenge was a very good challenge, very gamified. I really enjoyed this one. It teaches us that we always have to check all kinds of input. So like if this negative thing wouldn't have worked, I would have tried very big values, very small values. Just try a lot of things. Look at the functionality you have. Run the happy path first. So look at the things that actually work and how the programmer or they expect a user to interact with the program. And once you've gone over all the intended functionality, you can start breaking it. Like what I see a lot of people do wrong the first time is that they start by trying to break stuff without even knowing what is actually happening or what's intended to happen. So always first walk the happy path and then start working on ways to exploit that. But that was this challenge. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you back in another one.